Hello everyone, hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable two-factor authentication on Tumblr. To do this, you need to access your Tumblr account settings through a web browser. Here's how you do it. First, open a web browser on your mobile device or computer and go to tumblr.com. Log into your Tumblr account. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Security section. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. Toggle the two-factor authentication switch to the off position. Enter your Tumblr password to confirm the deactivation. It's important to note that disabling two-factor authentication reduces the security of your Tumblr account. It is strongly recommended to keep two-factor authentication enabled for enhanced protection against unauthorized access. But if you still want to disable it, just follow the steps. After following these steps, you will be able to disable the two-factor authentication on your Tumblr account. However, remember to prioritize the security of your account by enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.